to kind of freeze out here, is it works like this. You didn't block, so you're here, they step one, they step two, and then they flatten the weight, and eventually they unravel all together out of the shoulder attack. Now, if I was doing what I was supposed to in the beginning, I would have, you know, this arm kind of blocking as I'm kind of streaming here. If you ever attempt to go for anything, see, I'm clearing the leg. I don't grab the leg, nor try to reach for the hip. And here I keep pressure of my heel, and I'm turning away here. Do you see how I kind of keep my arm always blocking, so I don't let him get around? So here, eventually, I work my way out. Once I flatten him, then I have the position, and I go for the finish that we just did a second ago. But if for some reason you are there on a bad day, or distracted, had an argument before coming to the class, your mind is cloudy, and here I'm going here and the guy steps over, hold the wrist tight, and as he steps and finish, you kind of stretch your leg and point your knee out. That's your lucky number right there to catch him before he lands all the way. One more time, slow. So if I was here and here the guy start to step, pull the wrist, go ahead, step. I pull the wrist, look. I put all my weight, and I don't know if you notice, I put my foot sideways on the ground, sideways. I don't step like this, sideways. So my knee and my thigh is pushing him out. Last one, another angle here. So if the guy gets it, and I lost him, wrist control, over here, I pull the wrist. So here, and I have two legs. One pushes out, the other one lifts the leg here. Oh, and you can go on top. See what I'm saying? And then from here, if his arm's still here, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna hide, over here, climb, and reset. Oh, give it up.